In this video, I'll show how we use the Web3 platform to create a web application that publishes data and web pages about the services being offered by Kommune. We wanted to create an application where the core information was easily discoverable by people and where the underlying data was exposed for use by third-party applications. We started off by creating or defining 3 different concept groups: themes, services, and contacts. We wanted people to be able to search or find things by theme, either by navigating a hierarchy or by actually doing a search for the theme using a standard search interface. I'm going to start off by showing the navigation by theme. We click on the theme hierarchy, and this brings up the loss hierarchy. This hierarchy is defined by Defi and has a number of different categories which can be used to manage and categorize service offerings. If I click on this one, which is industry, we see there's a description here, and the one below it is about giving advice for establishing a company. Now we have the concept page. We can see that related to it are a number of different services. We have a mentor program, incubator, and a course about establishing a business. Selecting the service takes us to the service page directly. And here we can see a list of other services. We also have the contact for the particular service. If we click on them, we see they have a number of different contact details, and we can see they have the service they're related to. If we choose a different contact, we can see they're connected to different services. If we choose them, we go to the service page. So this allows us to navigate the data structure, which comprises services, themes, and contacts. As well as navigating, we can search. We can search for the themes that are interesting to us. Here's the one we navigated to earlier. I can select this in the search results, and it takes me to the concept page. Again, the services are listed directly. I can also search for the actual services. Click here, do a search, and it comes up in the search results. And again, it takes me straight to the concept page for that particular service. Everything we've done so far has been focused on allowing users to navigate the data structure of services and contacts. We also want to expose the data in a machine-readable form. Thus, every concept in this system exposes a data representation in the form of RDF. Here we can see the name, the theme, the description, and the list of the related services, all in data. Now, the links to the other services, when used, take us to the pages of those particular services. But again, because there's data for everything, we can go and look at the structure for this particular service. We open it up in another tab, and here we can see the name, the description, the related service contact, and the related concept. We put up this link, copy this, put it into the browser, and go to this page, we get back to the theme. So what we've been able to do is to navigate from a theme to a service to another theme using the data provided by the underlying data service. As well as getting the individual representations, we can also run queries across the whole dataset. In this particular query, we're asking for all the things which are of a particular type, in this case service. We want their name back as well. So we execute this query. We see we have the service listed with their names and a link to the service itself. If we put up this link, copy it, and put it into a browser, we get back the data about that particular service. And again, if we wanted more information, we could go and look at the RDF again. So this allows third-party applications to pull the data and use it in ways they want to. This demo has shown how we've used the Web3 platform to publish data as both web pages and raw data for third parties to make use of in a way to expose Kommune services. Our expectation is that this would not replace existing websites, but will provide an additional service as a way for communities to better publish some of the information they have.